Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you them how to make money on Fiverr without any skill. So basically Fiverr is a freelancing website that you had to have some special skill like a Photoshop or web designer, graphic designer, so you can offer your service for money. So it depends on the project. Longer the project, more money. Shorter the project, less money. For example, freelancing work like this, I will retouch high-end photography. So for that, the person charge over 121.91 pounds. So how you can make money on Fiverr without any skill? There's a very simple way. I'm going to show you the two ways that you can make money on Fiverr without knowing any skill at all. Alright guys, before we get in the videos, please again and again I'm saying subscribe and show your support to my channel. This is a new channel, it's very small channel, so please subscribe, share, like my videos. So for example, in Fiverr, we'll come to Fiverr and search for white transparent or white background picture. So if you're selling on Amazon or eBay, you need to have a white background picture. So this person is more famous here, 729 reviews on 5-star. That person charged around £4 for removing a background and from the picture and give you a white background or transparent. So for example, for the basic is up to 10 images, standard about 30 images for £12, and premium is 100 images, 3-day working, and 40 pounds. This person may use Photoshop to remove it, but if you don't know the Photoshop, how you can do it without knowing Photoshop? So there's a simple website that you can use it. For example, if you come to my website called Remove BG, so it's basically remove background. So you can upload this image from your computer. For example, I have a certain images in my example. For example, let's select Bill Gates. Okay, you have a red background in the background. I need to remove the red background. Voila, it's gone. Simple. And they will give certain sizes. It depends on the image, or what you can do is first download the image. So you can open up the PNG file. You can see it here is background gone. There's no feathering. You don't need to do anything. It's proper background is removed properly, so you don't have to do anything. What you have to do is, if you don't have a Photoshop, you download the free photo editing software like graphic design. Is alternative to Photoshop. You can do a minimum amount of work here. What you can do is open the page and you can set it up the page you want. So for example, 800 by 800, depend on the size the customer wants. Open up and get your file, document, a download file. This one you can put it up here. You can see it's transparent. You got to check the transparent, change the page color. See, it's transparent, so you don't have to worry about is a white background or anything. It is transparent picture. So what you can do is resize the image according to the page and file and export, and you can do PNG or JPEG or PDF, whatever the document is want. Select PNG and transparent and export it. It's come in big size, that by 800 by 800. So if you can open half my image, I can show you guys. If you go to build, there you go, big one. So you can resize it and send it to the customer. There's no change in quality or anything. So this is the first skill. You can offer your freelancing work on Fiverr to remove background images from for products or any other pictures like these ones. You can charge $4 for basic and standard, 15, and premium you can charge over 50 or 60. I am doing this gig. I already registered for it. By now I have a 92 impression on 1 click and 28 views. I didn't have any orders because it's the new account. I don't have any reviews or anything, so I had to improve that by saving freelancing gig. So I will do the video on when I made the first sales. I will do a video on how to set it up and how to promote your bio to the buyers. But simple things is you can go to Fiverr and set as you can offer a gig to remove the background images like this. I will create a transparent or white background, and when the customer contact you, send the in photos through the Fiverr, download it, use the remove page and remove the pictures. This software is completely free, but you can, there's a paid version for high quality and to do multiple images at a time. But if you don't have any money to start with this, use the free version and use the graphic design like a free photo editing software to resize it and send it to the customer on the relevant size they want it. The second thing is YouTube transcription service or audio transcription service. So if you come to Fiverr and type audio transcription, so if you type that, there's a different gigs that you can do right now here. I will provide a quality transcription up to 8 minutes audio, £4. They're charging, they have 1k review and 4.9 star. So what you can do is you can do this without knowing, even though you can't speak English properly or you don't want to type it, there's a way you can do it for free. So if you want, if they want audio file, they can send it to audio file, or if they give a YouTube link, you can do the transcription service. You just copy the link and come to the website like contentbeer.co. I put the link in the description. Just paste the link and click fetch. It will take at least 30 seconds. Then you have a complete transcription of the video is available here. It's completely free. So what you do is just copy it, but it's not proper. You need to listen to the video or audio and adjust the sentence and put stuff where you want and everything, but it's not fully right. Okay, there's a slightly small mistakes are there, so you have to figure it out. So that's why I'm using a website called Grammarly. It's an online software. You can use a free version. Just copy and paste it here. I have the paid version, that's why it's open up this option for to check the grammar and punctuation. If you don't want to buy the paid version, you can use the free version. It's completely free, and listen the audio and rearrange the sentence and upload it to the customer. So this is the two way that you can make money on Fiverr without knowing any skills. First, you can offer your gigs, remove the background from the pictures for the product or any images. You can charge $5 per 10 images and 20 for 15, and of 100 images you can charge 40. You don't need to use the Photoshop. You can use this website to remove the pictures. The second thing, you can do a transcription service, and you can come to this website Content Beer, copy and paste the link, get the text file and put it in Grammarly. It's better put it in Grammarly and listen the audio, rearrange the sentence and send to the customer. But for the transcription service, what you can do is you can contact the YouTube creator directly, because they won't, because nowadays the YouTube algorithm work like if you put more transcription service, can reach more people, more viewers. If there is a transcript file, viewers from any part of the country can put this one like this one, subtitle and see the video. So it's better to have a transcription in your videos. Most important video like this one, the improvement bill, they already have the script, so it's not like my videos I'm talking directly into the camera, but they have a pre-made script. So for you can contact them and said, I can do this transcription service for is a 5 minutes video. I can charge you $3 or $4. If you can send through the money through the PayPal, I can transcribe entire video for you. You can contact directly. If you don't want to work through the Fiverr, you can contact them directly and ask them for your gigs. Most of them rejected, but if you can contact, there's nothing wrong with asking a creator for your service. If you ask 10 of them, maybe 8 of them reject, you get 2 gigs. So depend on the video you select. So these are the 2 methods you can make money on Fiverr without knowing any skill. If you like the video, please subscribe. And these are the not, I didn't just copy another video. I'm doing the gigs here. I will make a video when I had the first sales. And under that, subscribe, share my video, and like my video. Thank you.